Thank you for the introduction. सबसे पहले तो I would like, before I start with my speech, I would like to say that Martindau is not like my family. Martindau is my family. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the annual sales conference 2022. Thank you for joining us today. We are reconvening after a long gap, not by choice, but due to the pandemic. Firstly, thank you for all your untiring efforts and your strong commitment during the COVID-19 pandemic. You persevered during these hard times and conducted business with utmost professionalism. Every time I step up here to welcome you, I find myself excited and passionate to be here amongst all of you. Your confidence in us inspires us to fulfill our core purpose of placing affordable and innovative medicines into the hands of those who need it most. At the very outset, I would like to express my gratitude to you all for your continued support and to the leadership of Team Martindau for their relentless commitment to take our company to new levels in marketing, HR, technology, product development, and sales. It gives me great pleasure to inform you that 2021 has been a year of positive changes for our company. After a prolonged period of uncertainty due to the pandemic, we have swung the curve upwards and once again are on our path to growth. This is due in part to Asim Saab's success in building you all into a strong fighting unit. To share some key statistics, you have achieved 96.5% of your sales targets, and I commend you all for the efforts you have made in 2021. Martindau Limited has seen advancement on all fronts, not just in sales. Cost efficiencies have improved, and processes have been tightened thanks to significant investments in technology. Compliance has strengthened, as reflected in speedy decisions at the regulatory level, and smart investments have been made in our manufacturing units to enhance capacity and build efficiencies. Focused and strategic talent development initiatives are keeping employees engaged, motivated, and fully aligned with our vision and values. In marketing, we launched 9 new brands in our portfolio. We also expanded the cardiometabolic unit and added another team, namely BH2. Synflex, Toradol, and Librex were the highest growing brands in 2021. Together, we recorded the highest monthly sales of rupees 1 billion in September 2021. In international marketing, we have our footprints in 2 new regions, Central Asia and Africa. Last year, we entered a completely new therapeutic segment with the dry powder inhaler, which was a very successful launch. For 2022, we have 19 new launches planned and a whole lot of more excitement to come, which Javed Saab and Asim Saab will share with you in their presentations. The impact of technology in business cannot be understated. It has and still is the single most important wheel in driving efficiencies, improving productivity, increasing staff coordination, and finally, leading to a better customer experience. At Martindau Limited, we have invested in technology and you all have benefited the launch of multiple initiatives. To boost a digital culture at Martindau, HR and IT collaborated to introduce a single platform, Connect, which covers all aspects of enterprise-wide HR application needs. Simpact an in-house developed application for business development is fully implemented at MDL, covering all aspects of product launch lifecycle. Genesis was initiated to provide an enterprise-wide reporting platform to the management. This has improved critical decision-making based on data-driven analytics and insights. In medical affairs, we successfully conducted 40 research and methodology training sessions called Martindale First by engaging more than 500 postgraduate doctors within 13 tertiary care hospitals across 6 cities in Pakistan. And with all our joint efforts, we have created a new record in sales revenue of rupees 9 billion. Well done, Team MDL. Your growth in 2020 is 19%, while the pharma industry grew by over 21%. You missed the target just by 3.5%, and this is the right time to reanalyze your strengths and capabilities for 2022. We have the best teams, the best products, the best technology, and the best leaders. Team MDL, achieving greatness is in our legacy. Let's plan better and achieve all our targets for 2022. The seed that was sown over 25 years ago has constantly grown and become a tall, strong tree. This solid foundation was laid by our founding chairman, Mr. Mohammad Javed Akhai, and you all have taken special care of it with your undeniable skills and supreme dedication under our fantastic leadership team. This achievement comes from the warrior-like approach that you have mastered to fight till the end and to fight to reach for that #1 position. The theme for this conference is commitment to brilliance, Azme Feroza. The journey to brilliance begins when you set the bar higher and higher and exceed those limits. Imagine that great feeling when you achieve all your goals. Commitment to brilliance is a relentless commitment to yourself. It's that inner self-belief that you can do it. When you put no limits to your work or home life, that's when will you raise your own bar of brilliance. Some words of advice for you. Ease is a greater threat to progress, greater than any hardship. Without commitment, you will never start, but more importantly, without consistency, you will never achieve your end goal. Stay focused, keep working, keep striving, and never give up. Keep moving, keep learning from your leaders, and work with real passion. That's when you will enjoy your achievements. Dream for better things, but always remember, dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. So dream big, but also chart out your goals. You have heard the saying, we don't plan to fail, we fail to plan. Working really hard with dedication is what successful people do. If you plan to succeed, move forward with passion as a team, and the results will follow. I would like to recognize the commitment, the passion, and the belief of our leadership team in our achievements. And I want to specially thank Javed Saab, our Group MD and CEO, for leading our company through this strong, positive transformation where innovation and smart work is the new business model. Congratulations to you and all your leaders for ending 2021 on a high note. I wish you and your family a safe, healthy, and a prosperous 2022. Thank you, everyone.